everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you this. Sorry, it's upside down. This is the, I don't know what this is. It's a folding kind of pocket switchblade comb. I don't know if it's, I think it's, oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I think this is designed to just look like the 50s, because look, the packaging looks so 50s. So let's open it. Sorry. Alright, here's the knife. Let's put the packaging. It says, warning, choking hazard. I don't know why, but it says choking hazard. Well, I think I gotta sneeze in a second. Well, I don't, but, yeah. So this is a knife itself. Not really a knife, it's just a comb. So, this is a lock. You pull it up, I think it locks. Yeah, it does. You push it down, it doesn't. Alright, it unlocks. Alright, so let's put it. Ooh, that's cool. And my hair's too short to do anything with, so it just looks like that. Yeah, I'm wearing a onesie. Yeah, I might look like a baby. Yeah, it's just comfy, man. One piece of clothing. Comfiest thing you can wear. So, yeah, this is just, over here it says Y. I don't know if you see this got a Y. I really don't know what that's about. Let me flip it over like this. You see the Y? And it says stainless steel. It says stainless steel. Actually, no, here it says stainless steel. Yeah, it says stainless steel. Stainless steel. The S probably just rubbed off from flicking it in and flicking it out. Yeah, I can see how that happens. So let's put it in, like that. Flick it out. That is cool. You just be like, huh? Like, give me all the money in the cash register right after I comb my hair. Or no, it's like, oh crap. Give me all your hair gel. It's just, this is a kind of like, got a 50s greaser thing, because the greasers and fighting dudes or whatever, I don't know. They got switchblades, and they had this giant hair that just slicked back. It looked like Johnny Bravo, pretty much. So yeah, that's the comb. Goodbye.